It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, my joyful subbies. So as you can see, I have this octagon shaped wood round that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, and I am applying some of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Plaster as a base coat. I will be applying this paint on both sides, and I am making sure that it is dried using my heating tool that I purchased from Amazon. So guys, it is the weekend. Do you have any big plans for this Labor Day weekend? I unfortunately will be stationary. I am having to just really rest up and take care of this shoulder. So hopefully by the end of the year, my family and I can do something fun, but you know, I gotta take care of self first. So I hope you all be safe in whatever you plan on doing. Have a lot of fun, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, and just, you know, just relax. So now you see me taking this moss color paint by Waverly. It is another chalk paint, and I am going to apply it on the one side very heavily, and then I'm going to use the excess that's in the sponge as a means to distress the back side of this piece. Now I had a plan to do something different, but then I changed my mind. And you know how Joy is if you are a regular. If it's in my head, I gotta do what? Say it with me. Get it out. That's right, I had to get it out. So the whole idea that I had for this project is omitted from this project because I ended up having to sand some things off of this piece. But nevertheless, I am moving on with the distressing of this piece using some of that burnt umber paint. It is an apple barrel paint that you can find at Walmart, and I am just applying it as a distressing method to the front side of this piece, and then you will see me add some distressing on the back side of this piece as well. So guys, I pray that everything that you do this weekend is not in vain. I hope that you make new contacts with people and form new positive relationships, because there's a lot of hurting people I've noticed in this world today. And I think that's why I try to bring so much joy to my channel and into people's lives, for that reason. So as you can see, I have taken that burlap ribbon that you can find at the Dollar Tree, as well as that pretty lace ribbon that you can also find at the Dollar Tree. I centered it, just placed it in the middle of this piece. I have one piece of the decorative lace on the top of the burlap and then one at the bottom. I was playing around with that wood cutout, that wording that says Hello Fall, that comes in, I think, either a 3-pack. And I am, you know, trying to decide, and I did end up, thought I was filming some of this, so you'll see something in the reveal that did not make it to the tutorial. And here we are now, speaking of reveal. As you can see, I've taken and made 2 jute twine bows, centered the Hello Fall, left it in its natural state. I am displaying it here with one of my Trash to Treasure fall planters that I made about 2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe even a month ago. And then you see I have that little burlap rose, and I just had the leaf and just dry brushed that, and I just kind of lined up the holes of the leaf and put the rose on top, added a jute twine, and it is now a hanging piece. And guys, that's it for this DIY. I pray that you have a blessed day, night, and weekend. Until the next DIY, be blessed.